Good morning. Outside is January 14th, and today's Advent Embrace invite us to look even deeper within ourselves. Our theme for today is Light of the Heart, gentle inspiration for working with our imagination. Let's give ourselves wings of boundlessness. Our day message is: create. The universe is already waiting. This is our powerful call for today. Each of us carries a unique potential capable of changing the world, quietly, sincerely, and authentically. Why does this matter? Creativity helps us live in harmony with ourselves and the world. It's like a breath of fresh air in the middle of everyday life. Every idea and every action matters and finds its place in the universe and in our soul. The universe is not static. It is a living, expanding space that constantly gives birth to infinite possibilities. Where do we begin? Start small. Set aside at least 30 minutes for creativity today. Create your space. Use the tips from January 8th. Success as an adventure. Write down all ideas. Even the strangest ones can become the seed of something great. Act despite fear. Fear is a sign you are standing at the edge of something important. Creation doesn't have to be grand. Choose one path, or explore different directions on different days. Writing, coding, clay, beadwork, comics, wood burning, cooking. The options are endless. Or create your family's little country. Define values, rules, anti-stress rituals, and bonuses. Start a family council for warm, meaningful gatherings. Let this creative journey fill your home with new, uniting energy. If you open up more easily in a group, find like-minded people and create together. The universe is a vast blank canvas. Only you decide which colors to paint it with. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The world is ready to receive your creativity right now. Create. Your Advent Embrace.